In this video, I will show you how to connect Ecwid to TikTok. So to do this, go and open up Ecwid, and then in the left menu here, click on TikTok. Now from here, you will see you can advertise on TikTok and you can basically sell your products on TikTok. So to do this, you will need to upgrade to the paid plan of Ecwid. So you will see I'm currently on the free plan, but to do this, you will need to get the Venture plan, where you get Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. On top of that, you can connect a custom domain, but that's of little use when you're selling on TikTok. But you will need to upgrade to this paid plan, and if you pay annually it will be 21 euros per month. If you pay monthly it will be 25 euros per month. So choose whether you want to pay monthly or annually, and then just gonna start your subscription. After doing that, go back to TikTok, and then right here you will have a connect button. Now then, after you have connected to your TikTok account, you will be able to expand your reach, and then after you have connected to your TikTok account, you can add your Ecwid products to your TikTok account and easily sell them through TikTok, where people don't even need to leave the TikTok app in order to buy your products. So now you know how to connect Ecwid to TikTok. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.